Hello, beautiful people. I wanted to come today and I wanted to show you guys how you can do data entry from home to make you a little bit of extra money, okay? Make you a little bit of extra money. So what you're going to do, all of the information is going to be down in the description box for you to go over and sign up. It is 100% free. You don't have to pay a dime, okay? Everybody love free, all right? So you're going to come to mturk.com and you're going to click here where it says get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk, okay? And you're going to click on where it says make money. You're not going to be a person looking to, put tasks on the website. You're looking to actually make money. So you're going to click create a worker account. Okay, I'm already signed in, but I just showed you guys, the process or whatever. So as you can see here, it's going to pull up a bunch of different tasks. Now, as you can see, there are 793 hits that are available. HIT stands for Human Intelligence Task, which means these are things that they can't just, have a machine do or a scanner or something like that do. They need an actual human being to actually go in and transcribe whatever it is that they need done, okay? So since we're talking about data entry, I'm just going to type in data entry here at the top, okay? Then you just hit enter. And what it's going to do is going to pull up any data entry tasks that are available, okay? Now, again, these things come in every couple of seconds. As you can see, 29 seconds, 18 seconds. They literally come in every few seconds. So you will sit in front of your computer and keep refreshing and just grab the task. So we're just going to click on one that's just random, okay? We're going to preview it because I'm not going to actually complete the task. If you wanted to just go ahead and complete it, you could preview it first and then click accept and work. But I'm just going to preview the task. So let's go ahead and click preview. Okay, now that we have clicked on a hit, I'm not going to actually complete this hit. I'm just showing you guys how they are done. And these things literally come in every few seconds. So if you're just looking to make some extra money from home doing data entry, this is the perfect opportunity for you to check out, okay? Now, as you can see, this is just the preview of the actual hit. This is not the, you would actually have to go up here where it says accept, accepted, and completed. As you can see, this pays 1 cent per hit, and there are 13 hits. And again, these things pop up every couple of seconds, okay? So all you're going to be doing is entering the information that's on this Wendy's receipt over here in this little box here. And again, I can enter it to show you how it's done, but I'm not going to accept it, okay? All right, now you can zoom in on this if you need to, if it's too far back or whatever. All right, so here, item number 1 is going to be a strawberry mango. So what you would do is you would just type in strawberry mango and type in full as well. And then you would go over here and it was $6.59. Okay. Item number 2 was a medium green tea. A medium green tea. Okay. And that was $2.29. All right. So the date that this was purchased on, does it have the date on here? 8/17/2017. The time was 1:15. So it was 1:15 p.m. Okay. So subtotal was $8.88. Tax was 58 cents. Subtotal $9.46. And what you would do then is you would hit submit. And what that will do is it will move you on to the next hit, okay? And there are 13 of these. So you will make 13 cents doing all 13 of these hits. And you saw how quick I did that, right? And these things literally pop up every few seconds, okay? There are people who make anywhere from $200 to $300 per week doing this. It's not going to make you a lot of money. Some people say they only make $30, $40 a week doing this. But as you can see, it's really, really quick. It's really, really simple. You can easily do it while you're sitting at home doing nothing in your spare time just to make a little bit of extra coins, okay? So again, this is mturk. All of the information will be down in the description box down below. Just go over there, create you an account, and get started doing some of these data entry tasks to make you a little bit of extra money from home, okay? Also, if you're looking for any other type of work at home job where you're making money hourly, a set amount, make sure you check out my website. I post legitimate work at home job leads over there. That link is also down in the description box down below. Follow me on Facebook as well. My work at home Facebook page, that link is also in the description box down below. Just check the description, okay? Go over there and get you some of this money, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.